third throwdown.
This is event number 52, girls, 7 to 8, 50-meter breaststroke. Swimming in lane number 1, we have Alvarico Colime of the Negros Oriental Blue Dolphins. Lane number 2, Pakatang Summer of the Dipolo Aqua. Lane number 3, Yongo Casey Gabriel of the Negros Oriental. Lane number 4, Corredo Micaela of the Cebu City Niños. Lane number 5, Adanza Amy of the Negros Oriental Blue Dolphins. Ihano Carla Casea of the Dipolo Aqua Warriors. Lane number 7, Gala Zuriel Kenzie of the Cebu City Niños. Lane number 8, Calis Ariane Neri of the Negros Oriental Blue Dolphins.
Rancer Kilikot, Bentik. Rancer Kilikot.